Hello, girls, how are you? My name is Mariana, and I want to welcome you to my channel In the Mirror with Mari, and in Spanish, Al Espejo con Mari. I'm so happy because this is my first video in English. I'm Colombian, and I want to thank my English teacher for helping me make this video possible. So if I say something wrong, please don't judge me. Teach me, okay? Um, I had already thought about starting make videos in English because I want to meet more girls who love to be beautiful, who love makeup and learn about it. So that's why don't hesitate to ask your question and write me freely because I'm willing to teach you and learn from you. So without talking today, I want to show you how to do your eyebrows step by step, okay? So let's get started. Okay, girls. First of all, it's very important to keep our eyebrows well organized without hairs that are bothering us. And there are many ways to make up our eyebrows, but you can use a product that is easier for you to use. For example, here in Colombia, we have three products to profile our eyebrows. Okay, talking about Mary Kay products, right? And the first one is the eyebrow volumizing gel that is long-lasting and contains microscopic fibers that adhere to the hair to give a more bulky appearance. And you can find it in three tones. The first one is the dark brunette, that is most common for those girls who have black hair and dark eyebrows, okay, especially black hairs. And the second tone is the brunette, which is most common for those girls who have dark hair or brown hair and dark eyebrows. But if you have blonde hair and blonde eyebrows, you have to use the dark blonde tone, okay? Don't forget it. Okay, the second product that we have is this eyeliner pencil. It is one of the easiest to use, yeah, and thanks to its creamy formula, it's perfect to fill and define the eyebrow. This product is so practical, is easy to use, yeah, I really recommend you, okay? Okay, and finally, we have this defining pencil in brunette tone that thanks to retraitable micro tip, you can profile, define and fill the eyebrow with precision, and you can use together with the eyebrow volumizing gel. And I think that's all. No, wait, I have a little tip for you. For example, if you like that your eyebrows look natural, you can use just a brush like this one, yeah, a little brush and a shadow, yeah. For example, this is express shadow, and you're just going to feel it, no more, and you're going to look so natural. And yeah, that's also. Right now I'm going to start with the eyebrows, my eyebrows. I hope that you enjoyed it, okay?
Okay, I will take the eyebrow liner and I will draw very carefully all over the edge of the eyebrow without marking or writing it. And at the beginning of the eyebrow, we will make it very soft. We will only shade it. This step will help us define our eyebrow like a first draft, okay? And before filling it ready, we do the same with the other eyebrow. Okay, now that we delineated, we are going to take this eyeshadow Cold Express, and with this brush I will start filling the eyebrow in the direction of the hairs. In the mirror, we will make it diagonal in the end down, and in the beginning of the eyebrow, we are going to paint some hairs up very carefully, giving like a natural volume. Okay, now, since we already filled the eyebrow, we will comb it to blur it. Well, to finish with the Mary Kay illuminator, we will outline and highlight the eyebrow. Then I will take the product with the obviously clean eyebrow above and below. This will help you clean the eyebrow if you left a little or you got dirty. After this, we will comb them again, and that's how our eyebrows are ready.
Girls, that was all for today. I hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your question, okay? In the description of the video, I'm going to leave you my network so that you can contact me.